Hey everyone, and welcome back to Light AI Lab. Ever wanted to run a powerful AI model, just like the ones you see online, but right on your own home computer? Completely offline, totally private, and for free? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We'll install the incredible DeepSeek R1 model and see how well it performs on a common, everyday gaming PC. You don't need a $1,000 supercomputer for this. By the end of this video, you'll be chatting with an AI running entirely on your own hardware. Let's get started. Alright, before we download anything, let's quickly talk about the hardware. The steps I'm showing you will work on almost any modern Windows PC with a decent graphics card. The single most important factor for running these models is VRAM, or the memory on your GPU. For today's demonstration, I'm using a card with 8GB of VRAM. Think of cards like the RTX 2060, the 3060, or the Radeon RX 6600. If you have a card with 8GB or more, you'll get performance similar to what you see here. The specific model doesn't matter as much as that VRAM number. So, with that in mind, let's grab the software. Okay, first step is to open up your browser. As you can see, I'm just searching for Ollama on Google. Now, instead of clicking the main link, we can go straight to the Download Ollama link right from the search results. This takes us directly to the download page for Windows. From here, click the Download for Windows button. Once the Ollama setup.exe file is downloaded, go ahead and run it. The installation is incredibly simple. Just a single click on Install, and it takes care of the rest. And just like that, it's installed. You'll see this new window pops up immediately. This is the new Ollama desktop UI, a fantastic and user-friendly way to manage and chat with your models. You can see a list of popular models, and there's a search bar at the top. If I type Deep, it filters the list to show models like DeepSeek. Notice the little download icon next to them. That means they aren't on our machine yet. Before we download one, let's head over to the Ollama website to see the full library. I'll click on the Models tab at the top of the page. Here's DeepSeek R1, right near the top. Clicking on it, we can see all the different versions or tags available. We're going to use the 7B version, which is a great balance of power and size for a GPU with 8GB of VRAM. And to make it easy, you can just click this copy icon right here to copy the exact command to your clipboard. Okay, with the command copied, now let's open up Windows PowerShell. First, I'll type Ollama --version to confirm the installation. Looks good. Next, I'll type Ollama list to see what models we have locally. As you can see on the screen, it's empty. Now, I'll just paste the command we copied from the website, Ollama run DeepSeek R17B, and hit enter. This tells Ollama to download the model files. This initial download can take a little while, so we'll speed through this part. Once it's finished, you're dropped directly into a chat session in your terminal. Let's test it out. Tell me a joke. Perfect. To exit, just type /by. Now, let's go back to that cool UI. Notice that DeepSeek R1 is now automatically available in the model dropdown. This is a much more user-friendly way to chat. I'll open up Task Manager and pull it to the side so we can monitor performance. I'm selecting my GPU, and here you can see my dedicated VRAM usage. Now, let's ask it something a bit more complex. Why is the sky blue? As it generates the answer, watch the GPU performance. You can see the VRAM usage spikes, and the GPU's 3D and copy engines are working hard as it processes the request. My card with 8GB of VRAM is handling this 7 billion parameter model perfectly. This confirms that a standard consumer card is more than capable. I'll start a new chat by clicking the New Chat button. Let's ask it another general knowledge question. What is a black hole? And it gives a great detailed explanation. Let's follow that up. Who wrote 1984? And there it is, George Orwell. You can see how responsive and versatile it is for these kinds of questions, all running completely offline on my local machine. But these models can do more than just answer questions. I'll start a new chat and ask it a real-world developer task. Generate a Python script that counts the vowels in a given string. It quickly provides a script. I'll click the copy button, open Notepad, and paste in the code. I'll save this file to my desktop as test.py. Now let's switch back to the terminal and run it. I'll type python test.py and give it a test sentence. My dog's name is Oscar. It correctly outputs 6. Great, but what if the code was broken? I'm going to go back to the file and intentionally introduce a typo, changing vowels to vowel in the last line. Now when I run it again with test as the input, the script crashes with a name error. Let's see if the AI can fix it. Back in the Ollama app, I'll start a new chat. Now watch this. I can just drag my broken test.py file from the desktop right into the chat window. I'll then ask, fix the coding error in this file. Instantly, it finds the problem, explains the typo, and provides the corrected code. This is an incredibly powerful workflow for developers. Let's push this even further with a vision model. I'll go back to the Ollama website, click Models, then the Vision tag. I'll find Qwen 2.5VL, select the 3B tag, and click the Copy button for the command. Back in the terminal, I'll paste and run Ollama run Qwen 2.5VL:3B. This will download the new model, so we'll speed this up. Once it's done, I'll type /by to exit the terminal chat. Now in the Ollama UI, I can switch the model to Qwen 2.5VL:3B. I'll open File Explorer, find this image of an alpaca, and just drag it right into the chat. My prompt is simple. What's in this image? As you can see, the response is spot on. The image shows a close-up of an alpaca's face. It's amazing to have this multimodal capability running completely locally. Finally, let's manage our models. In the terminal, I'll type Ollama list. You can now see both models we've downloaded. To save space, you can remove a model. I'll type Ollama RMQWN 2.5VL:3B. it confirms the deletion. And if I run Ollama list one more time, you'll see it's gone. It's that simple. So there you have it, a complete guide to running powerful open-source AI models locally on Windows using Ollama. We've proven that you don't need the latest and greatest hardware to get started. An average consumer GPU with 8GB of VRAM is more than enough to dive into the world of local AI. If this video helped you out, a thumbs up would be amazing. Subscribe to Light AI Lab and hit the bell so you don't miss future AI tutorials. What hardware are you running? And what models are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.